Friends, the pictures of that one, it is missing here, but you can look at your textbook, it is there. So we are moving to next part of the lesson, next paragraph. Changing technology or machine or making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. We are making the changes in the technology, or we are making the new machines, or making technology more modern. Means what was the existing technology that we are making in modern way. For example, in olden days television was black and white, then we made into color, again it modernization, LED, TV, like that it is coming. So all these things helping what to reach them to more people, media reaching to more people. It also improve the quality of sound and the image that you see. The example of this one you can understand, from black and white to color, and from that to LED. Then, but technology does more than this. It also change the ways in which we think about our lives. For example, today it is quite difficult for us to think our lives without television. Television has enabled us to think of ourselves as a member of a large global world. And we know, if you are visiting to 10 houses, we can see all 10 houses, or at least 9 houses, we can see television. Only 1% of the family, or less than that only, they are not using television. All other people, they are using television nowadays. Then, television images travels huge. Television images travel huge distance through satellite and cable. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other parts of the world. Not only Indian channels, we can watch other country channels also, and we are getting the information very easily. Most of the cartoons that you see on television are mostly from Japan or United States. We know Tom and Jerry, Disneyland, like that. Many cartoons we are watching are about cartoon. If I am speaking, I 100% sure that you people are more aware about the names of cartoon and the characters of the cartoon, that who is making and sending, America and United States. We can now be sitting in Chennai or in Jammu and can see images of the storm that has hit in the coast of Florida, that is in USA. Our television has brought the world closer to us. So we are getting the information very easily. At the same time, we got some of the attitude we are making in us, like that, oh, it is not here. It is not that storm, it is not happen here, it is in USA. Why I should bother? When it is coming to us, that time only. For example, when it is started Corona also, we got the information like that Italy, Spain, France, like that countries are suffering much on the month of April, May, like that. Then we thought it won't affect us. Then now, what is the condition? We are number 1 in the world, or in second rank in the world, and that also we know the health checkup conditions of our India. Many states where they are not taking care of the daily test. It is not America and like that countries, they are doing 3 lakh 4 lakh tests in a day, but in our country we are not reaching, means state wise they are making like that, but in our country it is not at all reached 1 lakh in per day. That is the condition. Many states without checking, they are announcing like that there is very less corona, only 5-6 cases or 10 cases in like that. Private hospital, they are depending on private hospitals. Okay, and it is not compulsory checkup nowadays. Those who are interested, or those who are having the contact with corona patient, to them only the government is providing some checkup facilities. That is the condition. So when it is came and touch us, that nowadays we can see some of our friends or family members, they got corona. That time only we come to know, or we taken it is seriously, that is okay, it is ours, not the problem of France or Germany or USA, like that. So we want to make an attitude wherever the people, they are getting some bad effects of natural calamities or man-made calamities, or some other political issues like that things, we should sympathize with that with them, or we want to show our empathy with them, and we should when we are making our prayers, that time you can keep one sentence, okay, please God take care of them also, like that. Then next topic, it is media and money. The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. Some of the technology what we are using nowadays, that is very expensive. Just think about TV studio in which the news readers sit in the it has lights, cameras and sound recorder, transmitter, transmission satellite, etc., all of which cost of lots of money. Not only the those who are making the controlling the media, even when we purchasing this TV, we want to pay money, then every month we want to pay to see the channels, like that. If you are thinking, it is very costly nowadays. It is coming, those who are using internet, and it is coming near about 7 rupees 50 paise per day, when we are recharging for 84 days, or for like that 1 year together also, it is coming near about 7 rupees or more than that per day, if you are calculating. For example, your papa is recharging your mobile by how much, okay, 598 or 600 per for 384 days, then you can divide 598 divided by 8, it is coming more than 7 rupees, like that. It is expensive. And in a news studio, it is not only a news reader who need to be paid, but also the members of other people who help put the broadcast together. So if you are thinking about any one of the program what we are observing in TV or radio, not only the person who is doing that activity, other than all the technician for everything they want to pay. Then this includes those who look after the cameras and lights. Also, as you read earlier, in the technologies that mass media use keep changing, and also so a lots of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Every day it is changing the new technology in the camera or in the editing. So they also want to up to date, and that also costly. Due to these costs, the mass media need to a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are part of big business houses. They are in media also, or the information also. It is a part of business nowadays. Not to give service to the people, they are making their own way the news and trying to get maximum viewers. Like that, they are try to get maximum money. Mass media is constantly thinking of way to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. So when we are watching the free channels or paid channels, we are paying a small amount. When we are thinking from our side, it is a huge amount, but when we are thinking from a media person, we are paying a small amount, only 7 rupees per day we are paying, like that they are feeling. So what they are doing, they are trying to get maximum advertisement from other people, like schools, colleges, or clothes shops, or like that different things. And if you are watching in TV channels directly, we can see in half an hour at least they will show 30 different types of ads. By that the company, the particular company, if cloth, the shop, they want to give a huge amount to the television channel, then only they will advertise the things. So they are getting money, earning money through advertisement. Then you must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television show. While watching a cricket match on TV, the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching the same image over and over again. For example, the Lux soap. or Synthol soap. Like that ads, it is coming every day, not only one time, it is coming minimum 10 times. So we are watching again and again. As you will read the following chapter, advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised. So what is the intention of this advertisement? What we have seen, that we want to purchase, that we will get that tendency 100 times. If you are watching the same thing again and again, unknowingly we will make a attitude among us, okay, that particular thing is good, that's why they are giving the ad again and again. Knowingly or unknowingly we will get the bad effects of this advertisement and we will go and purchase the same thing. Okay, we will continue next day. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.